Good morning, selamat pagi. Kemarin aku beli sesuatu and I feel like today I'll do some unboxing with you guys. And wait, aku tunjukin ya. So I bought this. Tapi sebelum kita unboxing, kita bikin kopi dulu. Alright, bye. I bought this Fitbit Charge 4 and ini udah lama sih aku pengen, cuman sempat ragu beli nggak beli. Ketika aku beli Fitbit Charge 4 ini di tokonya, mereka lagi sedang ada promo. So when I bought this, they gave me the Anchor sound buds. This is like a wireless headset. They gave this one for free, so it's quite a good deal. Ini lumayan loh harganya. It's about berapa ya, 800, but I saw it was on sale sekitar 400-an sih, but it's still quite a good deal. See, bisa pakai buat lari, cita-citanya sih buat lari, but it's quite a good deal. I bought this and got this. I bought this for 2.9, sekitar 2,9 kalau nggak salah. So 29 buat these two items, good deal, right? Right. Okay, so I'm currently using the iPhone. Dude, why I keep saying iPhone? I'm currently using the iWatch, and seperti yang kalian tahu, iWatch itu cepet banget baterainya habis. Jadi aku tuh setiap malam harus bolak-balik charge. Fitbit Charge 4 ini katanya sih it will last up to, oh here it is. So the battery life will last up to around 7 days. Katanya sih begitu. So jadi aku nggak perlu bolak-balik ke charge. Oke sih iWatch ini. Can't wait to try this. Let's give it a go. Oh my goodness.